everyone, and welcome to Advanced RV Centers. My name is Pat, and number here is 561-719-9774 if you want to reach out with any questions. Here I want to demonstrate a pull behind here that we got on our inventory. Not something we do a lot of, but the nice clean unit we'd like to have on our lot. Anyways, it's a 2019 Forest River Gray Wolf limited edition 29 bunkhouse. I mean, this thing is loaded. I just got done going through the whole thing and everything works, and really impressed with all the options. Okay, it's got a nice electric awning here, as you can see, LED lighting, blue LED strip there. Okay, the previous owner upgraded the tires. He put some Goodyear Endurance 8-ply tires for just peace of mind. Okay, the exterior paint body condition is pretty much like new, guys. Few stains on the front, maybe from some stubborn bugs. Okay, I like how they do these entry steps nowadays, so when you're traveling, that step gets folded in to the camper. Avoid you from hitting anything while you're going down the road and messing up your steps. So moving along here, as you can see, you got some outdoor speakers. There's a TV bracket, so you can take the TV from inside, place it outside. You see pictures of that in the ad. I demonstrated that. Yeah, I wanted to show you the storage up front. Okay, got nice pass-through storage and storage underneath the bed. Equipped with solar ready. Does not have a solar panel. That's an additional accessory you would plug into that port there. Now, moving along here, the outdoor kitchen. Real nice feature. Huge fridge out here. You know, for a smaller fridge, it's on the bigger side. Freezer, not only refrigerator, but it's got a freezer. So here you got a slide out double burner. Okay, little sink there. It's got two rooftop ACs, and you'll see why when we go in. The back half of this coach is the bunkhouse portion that can be separated. So it's got its own AC. Cargo rack back here with the spare tire. Okay, now with the two ACs, this is a 50 amp camper, not a 30, but you got a nice 50 amp power supply, so you can run both those ACs and everything else pretty much at the same time. So everything's in working condition and in very good condition. Okay, another storage here. So a lot of campers I look at don't have much storage. This one's got a little bit of extra storage on the outside. But I mean, the frame underneath, it's really like new, guys. There's no rust, no leaks inside. And you got to remember, it's only 2 years old, so it was well taken care of. Electric tongue jack, which I'm sure is pretty standard these days. Bear with me if I don't point out a few things. I don't do a lot of pull behind campers, but we're excited about this one. Let's take you inside. Okay, nice laminate wood floors. Really like the floor plan on this thing. Great big dining area. The dinette is huge. It's probably every bit of 8 foot long there. Okay, this makes a small jackknife bed. That's going to turn into a large sleeping area. The camper's going to sleep about, I estimate, 6 to 7. Smaller person on this, of course. Okay, here's your queen size bed at the front of the camper. And you got 2 doors here that'll close for privacy. You got LED strip here inside, just like I showed you outside, for ambiance, decorative lighting, whatever you want to call it. So really nice modern kitchen here. Okay, glass inlaid cabinet doors, gray stone microwave there, Furrion 3-burner cooktop with oven. Nice fireplace here that does produce heat also. It's not just for looks. Nice big square sink. I like the size of that. Oh, I like how they put all these USB ports everywhere. I think there's going to be one on each side of the bed. One in the kitchen here, just scattered throughout the coach. One in the back bunkhouse. Okay, you got a nice Norcold refrigerator, freezer. Yeah, look at the size of this dinette. I mean, you got 4 people in there easy if you had to. Here's your bathroom. All right. Nice pantry space. My favorite thing is the bunkhouse. Really neat. Okay, it's got its own AC, like I said. So you got 2 bunks left and right, miscellaneous storage here. Okay, and then this is a little workstation down here, so you can have your own private office if you need it. And really well thought out. I like it a lot. But it was a pleasure showing it to you guys. And again, it's a 2019 Forest River Greyhawk limited, not Greyhawk, but Grey Wolf limited edition 29 bunkhouse, fully loaded. It's got all the options, ready to go. We've already been through it. Everything works. Give us a call, 561-719-9774. Thanks for watching, and we'll talk to you soon.